Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Resource Explorer is now available in 3 additional AWS regions, and Mexico. This expansion enables users to search for and discover their AWS resources across regions and accounts within their organization using the AWS Resource Explorer console, command line interface, SDKs, or the unified search bar from anywhere in the AWS Management Console. The Amazon SageMaker scheduling experience for visual ETL and query editors now offers a unified solution, simplifying the process of scheduling workloads. This feature allows users to schedule their visual ETL flows and queries with Amazon EventBridge Scheduler from the same interface they use to author their query or flow. Previously, users needed to create a code-based workflow in order to run a single flow or query on schedule. With the new unified scheduling experience, users can now schedule their workloads directly from the visual ETL and query editors. This eliminates the need for additional coding and streamlines the process of running scheduled queries and flows. The unified scheduling experience also allows users to view, modify, or pause/resume schedules, as well as monitor the runs they invoked. Amazon RDS announces cross-region automated backups in 5 additional AWS regions. The new feature allows for automated backup replication between Australia and Australia, Asia-Pacific and Asia-Pacific or Asia-Pacific, Asia-Pacific and Asia-Pacific, Canada and Canada West, and Europe or Europe regions. This enables the setup of automated backup replication with just a few clicks on the Amazon RDS Management Console or using the AWS SDK or CLI. Cross-region automated backup replication replicates snapshots and transaction logs to the chosen destination AWS region, allowing for recovery capability for mission-critical databases by providing the ability to restore the database to a specific point in time within the backup retention period. In the event that the primary AWS region becomes unavailable, the automated backup can be restored to a point in time in the secondary AWS region and quickly resume operations. This feature is available on Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, Amazon RDS for MariaDB, Amazon RDS for MySQL, Amazon RDS for Oracle, and Amazon RDS for Microsoft SQL Server. AWS Elastic Beanstalk adds controls for default security group management by providing customers with the option to use their own custom security groups when deploying applications. This feature allows for greater control over network access and security configurations. Customers can now choose to use custom security groups instead of default security groups for both new and existing Elastic Beanstalk environments, applying to EC2 instances within the environment as well as load balancers in load-balanced environments. This enhancement enables customized security policies and simplifies security management. Amazon Connect now enables administrators to grant access to agent schedules with minimal configuration. This feature allows certain users to view all published agent schedules without being added as a supervisor to every staff group. Users such as centralized schedulers or auditors who require a broad view of agent schedules across the organization can be granted this access in a few clicks, reducing time spent on access management and improving overall operational efficiency. Amazon OpenSearch service now supports OpenSearch version 2.19, introducing several improvements in vector search, observability, and OpenSearch dashboards. This new version enables 4 key capabilities for vector search applications. The Face engine now supports AVX512 SIMD instructions to accelerate vector similarity computations. Additionally, the ML Inference Search Response Processor can now rank search hits and update scores based on model predictions, enabling sophisticated document ranking and result augmentation. Furthermore, Lucene binary vectors are now supported in addition to existing Face engine binary vector support, offering greater flexibility for vector search applications. The hybrid search feature has also been enhanced with pagination support, reciprocal rank fusion to improve result ranking, as well as a debugging tool for score and rank normalization process. Query Insights dashboards have also been introduced, allowing users to monitor and analyze the top queries collected by the Query Insights plugin. Anomaly detection has been improved with enhanced anomaly definition capabilities that enable users to specify multiple criteria to identify both spikes and dips in data patterns. A new dedicated index for flattened results has also been added, improving query performance and dashboard visualization experience. Finally, Amazon OpenSearch service now supports template queries that contain placeholder variables, allowing for more flexible, efficient, and secure search operations. For information on upgrading to OpenSearch 2.19, please refer to the documentation. Amazon SES Mail Manager now supports publish to Amazon SNS topic rule action. This feature enables messages to be published using an Amazon Simple Notification Service notification. The notification includes the complete email content and has options for SNS topic and encoding. With this new rule action, customers can increase the number and type of delivery destinations available as part of their larger role set configuration within Mail Manager. This enhancement is available in all 17 AWS regions where Mail Manager is launched. It's essential to note that there is no additional fee from SES to use this feature. However, charges from AWS for SNS and destination channel activity may apply. AWS Clean Rooms now supports multiple collaboration members to receive analysis results from queries using Spark SQL. This enhancement simplifies usability and transparency by eliminating the need for additional audit mechanisms outside of the collaboration. As a result, multiple collaborators can receive and validate analysis results from queries across collective datasets directly from the collaboration. To achieve this, designates multiple collaborators as result receivers when executing a Spark SQL query. The query results are automatically delivered to all selected collaborators who are configured in both the collaboration settings and table controls. For instance, in a collaboration between a media publisher and an advertiser, the publisher can run a query across their collective datasets. The query results are sent to both parties' chosen Amazon S3 location for validation. Amazon Connect now provides bulk removal of agent schedules, which enables more efficient day-to-day management of agent schedules. This feature allows for the simultaneous removal of schedules for up to 400 agents for a single day or up to 30 days for a single agent. With this launch, managers can remove all schedules for next Monday if the contact center is going to be closed, or remove future shifts for an agent who is no longer with the organization. This eliminates the need to manually remove agent shifts one agent and one day at a time, thereby improving manager productivity by reducing time spent on managing agent schedules. This feature is available in all AWS regions where Amazon Connect agent scheduling is available. AWS has enhanced the AWS Migration Acceleration Program with two key capabilities to accelerate AI customer adoption. These enhancements enable customers to transform their existing applications and business processes using proven AI patterns that deliver measurable business value. The Move to AI modernization pathway features Amazon Bedrock and Amazon SageMaker, allowing customers to leverage these services to drive AI-driven innovation. This pathway empowers customers to modernize their existing applications and business processes with the help of AWS partners. Additionally, Amazon Connect is now a qualifying service in the MAP Modernization Strategic Partner Incentive. This enables AWS partners to help customers transform their contact centers by incorporating AI-powered features that increase agent productivity and enhance customer experiences. EC2 Image Builder now integrates with Systems Manager Parameter Store, allowing customers to reference SSM parameters in their image recipes, components, and distribution configurations. This integration enables customers to dynamically select base images within their image recipes by leveraging SSM parameters as inputs. Customers can easily use configuration data and sensitive information for components, which simplifies the process of saving, retrieving, and utilizing this information. Moreover, this integration updates SSM parameters with output latest images, streamlining the image building workflow and reducing manual intervention. This capability is available to all customers at no additional costs and is enabled in all AWS commercial regions, including AWS GovCloud, AWS China region, operated by Synet, and in the AWS China region, operated by NWCD. Customers can get started with this integration from the EC2 Image Builder Console, CLI, API, CloudFormation, or CDK, and learn more in the EC2 Image Builder documentation. Amazon VPC Lattice now supports IPv6 for management endpoints, enabling users to connect using Internet Protocol version 6 clients alongside existing support for Internet Protocol version 4. This dual-stack support allows for simultaneous connections from both IPv4 and IPv6 clients. This move enables gradual transition from IPv4-based systems and applications to IPv6-based ones, meeting compliance requirements without requiring expensive networking equipment for address translation between the two protocols. Amazon Q Business now offers anonymous user access, enabling customers to create applications for users who do not require authentication. This feature allows publicly accessible content to be indexed and utilized by these anonymous users. Anonymous Q Business applications are built on an API consumption basis, providing a scalable solution for deploying generative AI experiences to large audiences without the need for user authentication. Customers can create anonymous Q Business applications to power use cases such as public website Q&A, documentation portals, and customer self-service experiences where user authentication is not required. For example, any company may use this feature to improve their website's visitor support experience by providing a Gen AI assistant over publicly available help/product pages. AWS Elemental Media Tailor introduces recurring ad prefetch for live streaming, enhancing server-side ad prefetch capabilities for live events where exact ad break timing is unpredictable. The new feature enables content providers to create a single schedule for an entire live event or linear channel, streamlining the process of managing ad insertion and reducing operational overhead. This automation ensures that ad delivery performance is optimal and pre-transcoding of ads improves ad monetization. After every ad break, Media Tailor will automatically create the prefetch schedule for the next ad break, ensuring that any new playback sessions that join the stream are provisioned with ads. This feature also includes ad request traffic shaping settings to prevent ad server overload during viewing events with large audiences and maintain low latency for manifest delivery. AWS WAF targeted bot control and fraud control are now available in 2 additional regions, AWS Canada West and AWS Asia Pacific. These solutions deliver comprehensive security for web applications, APIs, and mobile apps by protecting against automated bot traffic with easy deployment and configurable actions, ensuring scalable management. Amazon Kinesis Data Streams now supports tagging for enhanced fan-out consumers, allowing you to allocate costs and simplify permission management. This feature enables you to apply tags to your enhanced fan-out consumers using the Kinesis Data Streams API or AWS command line interface. With this support, you can tag your enhanced fan-out consumers used by different business units, making it easier to track and allocate costs in AWS Cost Explorer without manually tracking costs per consumer. This is particularly useful for organizations that need to manage costs across multiple teams or departments. Furthermore, Amazon Kinesis Data Streams also introduces attribute-based access control for enhanced fan-out consumers. ABAC is an authorization strategy that defines access permissions based on tags attached to IAM users, roles, and AWS resources. With this support, you can use IAM policies to allow or deny specific Kinesis Data Streams API actions when the IAM principals tags match the tags on a registered consumer. This new feature is available in all AWS regions, including the AWS China and AWS GovCloud regions. AWS Config now supports 13 new resource types, providing greater coverage over your AWS environment. This expansion enables you to effectively discover, assess, audit, and remediate an even broader range of resources. With this launch, if you have enabled recording for all resource types, then AWS Config will automatically track these new additions. You can now use AWS Config to monitor the newly supported resource types in all AWS regions where the supported resources are available. These include AWS App Integrations, Application, AWS EC2 EIP Association, AWS EC2 Instance Connect Endpoint, and so on, up to AWS Security Hub Standard. AWS Config also supports AWS SageMaker, Inference Experiment, in addition to other newly supported resource types such as AWS OpenSearch Serverless Collection. Amazon Cognito has added enhanced context support for machine-to-machine authorization flows. This enhancement enables customers to provide additional contextual information when requesting access tokens for M2M interactions. By including the client metadata parameter in the OAuth 2.0 client credentials flow, customers can specify contextual details that were previously not possible to convey. For instance, an organization's internal API service may require different access patterns across development and production environments. With this new capability, developers can now provide context-specific information, such as environment dev or environment prod, when requesting access tokens. This enhanced support for M2M authorization flows allows customers to customize token scopes and add environment-specific claims, like rate limits, using pre-token generation Lambda triggers. The API can then examine these scopes and claims to enforce appropriate access controls and rate limiting. The introduction of this feature eliminates the need for multiple app clients to express contextual information, thereby reducing app client sprawl and optimizing costs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.